Have a good day. Girls. Go. Have a good day. I saw the original reason I was crossing was because someone was coming, and then I saw that lady, but they must have turned. Oh, there they go right there. Okay. There they go right there. Go. I don't know how they beat us to the road. Hey, bud. See. Have a good day. You ready? Go. Seen that dude right there? That dude right there. He lives in the van right here. And again, every time he's setting out, since Mary Jane was a baby. He's gave her attention and stuff, and she loves it. Of course, and she loves him for it. Who's that? Who is that? Good morning. Dink. No, you say hello, Dink. I'm trying to get her to quit biting you. Dinky. Dink. She just bites the shit out of her. She tells her, calm down, stop. Dink. Look, I put the beep on her and she's like, okay.
I see you.
I know, I see. Merry Christmas. How you doing?
All right, okay. Yeah,
that's good, because everybody else is.
Can't let circumstances take over your obligation.
For living or survival, especially, that's what I look at it.
Yeah, you got to protect your peace at all times.
God bless you. We love you. Have a good day. I hear you, baby. I hear you. I'm talking to people. Who's that, Mr. Brownie? Who's that, Mr. Brownie? Who's that little brownie? Yeah, that's that little brownie. Hey, Bubba. I'm gonna give him a bony. Here's your piece. Here, Mary Jane. And there's Chance. Look at Chance. You see Chance? Go. Hey, big boy. I know you got that great. I got that right there. You can't go over there. We love you, boy. We love you, boy. We love you, boy. Hello, Scruffy. Hello, Scrappy. Hi, baby. That little Scrappy Bubba. Good girls. Bless you. Good girls. And this little girl, they keep her in the back now. At least to let her be in the front. But hey, baby, we love you, baby girl. is a 10-minute video so far. You know, my brain, and again, I could state and I could tell you my diagnoses, my names and labels of any illness that I have or disability that I have, and for some reason, like, to me, that doesn't even matter. You know, I have some disabilities, and not like I ever wanted to you know, make them like known, or you know, even like so much public, other than, you know, again, certain people just know, and then, you know, you know, learn, you know, etc., and or you know, then you have the like clinicians or whatever, doctors that that can like just know because of like the way you kind of act or talk, or you know, etc. They just, it's just like well, I knew you were autistic, let's say, but let's not go too into labels, but because of my illnesses, let's say, any time growing up, anything has ever been kind of skewed or I don't know, turned upside down, or whatever word I'm kind of trying to look for. I would always just like eliminate myself from, like, both of you sit, from like the situation or situations that I was in. Like if I had roommates or something, you know what I'm saying, and I was being, you know, treated a certain way, or things were being handled a particular way. Go. I would leave, you know. I would be like, okay, well, I'm leaving, and I would gather up, you know, to what I knew and stuff. You know, a bag of clothes, or, you know, like, you know, stuff. And leave and move, or, you know, and it happened quite often, or, you know, hey babies, we love you, babies. There's Miss Dinky's brother, and that's her mama, and that's her daddy, and that's her sissy right there. You gotta stay over here, sissy. And when I would leave, pretty much, you know, again, I was starting from scratch. And it wasn't hard to like come up when you have resources. Let's say for my first time that ever happened, it was a very traumatic incident, and I literally grabbed a duffel bag and a backpack of like stuff. And back then, I had a Discman, like a Walkman for cassettes, but it's a Discman for CDs. And I had about, 5, 6 compact discs, and the Discman. And in a bag, I had a bag of just snacks, beanie weenies, Vienna sausage, just snack stuff. And then I had like my clothes and stuff. And and I was leaving, but this was my first time, and not only was I leaving like the area and neighborhood, I left the state, just because whatever I was 22-ish, and I needed to go live, or so I moved to another state, and rough in the beginning. About a month though. It was long in a way for the first time, but it wasn't long going from then to other more incidences like that. But so about a month, so I had a job and had a nice place to live, and again going from there, and then so on and so forth, and since then, anything, or if things come across, to be, I don't know, wrong, or I would leave, just pack up and go. And again, I could always, it would take me a while, to get back to reality, but it would always happen, it would always be done until I came to California, and the whole thing to get a job is you have to speak a foreign language, and with my brain, mainly, I knew that would never happen.